Tete request yun.
Tell me please, love, will I find him tomorrow? Do your best, love, I'll be waiting till then. Don't you know, Mr. Love, I can take all this sorrow. So if you have the time, he'll be mine once again. Please, 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 Mr. Love, where is the boy that I'm dreaming of? Please, 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 Mr. Love, bring him back home to me. Yesterday was so fine, he'd been walking beside me, and he said he'll be mine till the day we both die. But he left me last night, and my heart broke inside me. I was feeling so sad that I broke down and cried. Please, 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 Mr. Love, where is the boy that I'm dreaming of? Please, 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 Mr. Love, bring him back home to me.
Last 500 ni Marilo. Valdez mo. Kopo. Marilo Valdez.
Please, 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 Mr. Love, where is that boy that I'm dreaming of? Please, 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 Mr. Love, bring him back home to me.
Nagbaliwan si Panawin ni Bibi Ken ni Neneng sa bahalin nagaganda nagligat payapan pati lang akin kawalit yakon matarusanin awanin ni Lukana kamamukidi a Panawin ay awanin na di narupig ano umisem apagpingi at ay balasang anadamili kaya isang tupay sang tumakuti ay awanin tinkang misala tababaketin tadattiting nga dagi dineneng nagbukahuda ginuyod da ay awanin timay sana intaray da anusan ng tibabaket tanu bumalsi ay napikit. Nagbaliwan ti Panawin ni Gagawan ti Agdedin sa balin ladawanda no ang kawesta kinurang tela pati bantay iparangda awan ti penos pagkakta awarin ni Lukana ngam amok kidi urunana ay awanin na di narupig ano umisem apagpingi at ay balasang anadamili kaya isang tukay sang tumakuti Sin kami sana nababaketin Tadatiting na Dagiti neneng nagbukaw-da Hinuyod da Ay awanin Timay sana Intaray da Nanusan min ti babakit Nanubumalsi ay nabikit Ay awanin Sin kami sana
Thank you.